Welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make a striped bass on the grill. And these are the ingredients. The striped bass, which has been cleaned, lemon slice and bay leaves, salt and pepper, thick caper sauce, which will be poured over after the fish has been grilled. And what's inside here is 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and capers. The side dish, I decided to make some asparagus. I have put some with prosciutto, some just salami, and the others with nothing on. And I have some mushroom and some sweet potatoes. Don't be afraid to make this whole fish. It's very easy because the person at the store cleans it out for you. This is the way I'm going to stuff this. Just lay some of the slice of lemon inside. Just press it in. One can use whatever ingredients you like in here. Some people will use Italian oregano or rosemary. You can use any of the any spices you wish. So now I'm going to put some olive oil on the fish and rub it a little bit. I will carefully turn it over because I'm going to be doing the same thing on the side. And that's all is needed right now. So the first thing I'm going to grill is the vegetables because they take longer than the fish. The fish actually takes practically no time. Put some olive oil on the asparagus. These already have been brushed with the olive oil. These don't need to be brushed because they have prosciutto and salami on it. And I'm going to just put a little bit of salt. And I'm going to put this on the grill. Now the fish has been brushed with olive oil on both sides. And don't be afraid to leave the head on. Sometimes I take this off, the tail off, because sometimes it can disintegrate. But I'm just going to leave it on. Okay? And I'm going to put some salt on the skin and some pepper. And this is ready for the grill. I chose this side dish, vegetables, but one can choose anything they wish. For example, broccolini or broccoli salad, it goes well with it. And onion rings as well. You can use rice, anything you like. I really like the sweet potatoes. It gives a little, since there is quite a bit of lemon on the fish, a little sweetness. It goes well with it. This is quite hot, so I'm going to close it for now. Let it finish cooking. This fish is about 1.5 pounds. And when I grill it, you first grill it for 6 minutes on one side, then carefully turn it over to the other side, and then do it another 6 minutes. And then you take it off. This is a flexible grill sheet, which I use so that it won't stick to my grill there. Okay. Now I'm going to put my fish on it. Before that, I'm going to score it. A bit. And I will do it also on the other side. So I'm just going to transfer this. This is very, very hot. Has to cook for about 6 minutes on one side, and then I will turn it over. Now the vegetables are completed, are grilled, and I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of salt on the asparagus and on the sweet potatoes and on the mushrooms. Just a little. Okay. The fish is completed, and it's nice and crusty on top, and now I'm going to serve it. So what I do is I score it right on top. I open it up from top to bottom, and easily, I don't want to have any of the bones, so I'm going to take them out. So I want to take some of the lemon and bay leaves out so I can serve it. Just take some of the meat out, the fish meat, and place it here for now. Now I'm going to do the same to this side. As you can see, it's nice and white, and it's really nice, well cooked. As I mentioned earlier, it was for 6 minutes on each side. As you can see, the meat is well done. Okay. And now I'm going to take the fish spine out along with the fish tail. That's done. There's still some bones in here, which you have to be really careful. Not very many, since most of the bones are in the spine. And I'm going to pour in my caper sauce, which gives a really nice flavor. As I said, there is lemon in here, olive oil, capers, some salt and pepper. And it's ready to be eaten. And here it is. And this is my favorite part. Now I want to taste my sweet potato with it. And my asparagus. I always look for bones. If there is any bones, you could feel them. Put them aside. Oh, very nice. It's heavenly. Cheers. Salute. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you will try it. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Salute!